Let us first learn what is the definition of a crop. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. Let us learn what are the different types of crops grown in India. Cropping patterns in India. In India, the climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, and rainfall vary from one region to another. Due to this, different types of crops are grown in different parts of India. Depending upon the season, two broad cropping patterns can be identified in India. They are Kharif crops, Rabi crops. We will discuss each one of them. Kharif crops. Rainy season in India is generally from June to September. The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called Kharif crops. Examples of Kharif crops are paddy, maize, soya beans, groundnut, etc. Rabi crops. The crops which are sown in the winter season are called Rabi crops. Examples for Rabi crops are wheat, pea, mustard, linseed, etc. Rabi crops are generally grown during the month of October to March. Let us now learn how these crops are grown in the fields. Basic practices of crop production. Many activities are performed by the farmers during cultivation of crops, such as preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, crop protection from weeds, harvesting, storage. These activities are termed as agricultural practices. Agricultural practices are a collection of principles to apply during crop production and the post-production process, resulting in safe and healthy food while taking into account economic, social, and environmental sustainability. Let us learn about these agricultural practices one by one. Preparation of soil. The first step of crop cultivation is the preparation of soil. This step involves turning of soil to loosen it. Turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes in the soil. They further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. The humus contains various nutrients which are absorbed by the growing crop. Apart from these, loosening of soil also allows the roots of growing crop to penetrate deep into the soil and helps the plant to breathe easily. Plowing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing.